Hello there and welcome back, my fellow Pythonistas. This video is going to be about Ansible, and we are going to see how we can add the local user to a Windows machine and add that specific user to become the member of a specific group on the local machine or local group. So basically this is not about domain joined machines, but standalone workgroup joined machines or other workgroup joined machines. And my environment looks like this. So I have a CentOS D, which is imbued with all the fancy Ansible stuff, and I have a 2019A, which is basically a Windows machine. And this is not domain joined, this is just a fresh installation. So if the setup is working correctly, we will be able to use the win ping 2019A, and it will respond with a pong, which means that the authentication is working. So let's get to our Windows machine and investigate how we could wrap this into an Ansible playbook. So on Windows we have a commandlet. If you open a shell or PowerShell rather with administrator privileges, which is called add local or add so new local user, and we have the account never expires, and we have the description, which we would not use. We have the disabled, which can be set true or false. We do not want that. We would like to specify a name. So this name is going to be new, and we would like to specify the password, and this password is going to never expire. So password, and let's say that this is start ! 1 2 3. And as you can see, it is unable to convert the system string to a secure string. What we can do here and now is to bring up something which comes from the system.web assembly, and basically this is going to allow us to generate password which can be passed to the password argument. And we would say that new pass is equal to, and we say that system.web. Hold on, I think you may not be able to see it properly, so make it a now it seems to be better. So system.web.security membership, and we would like to generate password, and we say that this password is at least of 10 length with 3 special characters. So new pass is going to look like this. So now we would like to pass this new pass to the argument. So new pass, and basically we would like to convert this one to a secure string. So new pass is equal to convert to secure string, and we specify the string, which is the new pass, as plain text with the forced parameter. Great. Now if we invoke the new local user, you will say that this local user is created. Now what we would like to do is to issue the new local group or add local group member, and we say that the member is called new and the group is called administrators. Great. Now if I go back and check, come on, why is it not capturing my shortcuts? So luser mgr, and here we can see under administrators that the new user was created. So what we would like to do is to wrap it around an Ansible playbook. So let's go and call our shell, and we would like to say that this playbook is to new local win user dot YAML, and we would like to say that the host that we run against is 2019A, and we would like not to become, and we would like not to gather facts, and the tasks is going to consist of only one task, so create user and add it to group. So let's give this some sort of argument. So what we would like to do is specify the wars, and we say that username is going to be, how do we call it, test, and the password is going to be start exclamation mark 1 2 3, and the group is going to be administrators. Great. So we would like to create the user, and we will use the username substitution and add it to the group. And what we would like to do is to invoke the win shell module, and after the colon, if you push a pipe, it will be interpreted as a multi-line PowerShell command. So what we would like to do is to add this assembly. So let's go back and use this. Now after this was done, we would like to create a new password, which is at least of 10 characters length with 3 special characters. And after this was done, what we can do is to invoke the new local user, and we would like to add the name which was specified, and let's say we would not like to use a hard-coded password but dynamically generate a new one. So we say that the username is whatever we specified as the username, and the password is whatever is generated, and we would like to add this to a local group. So add username, let's code this, and the group should also be quoted and substituted from the variable. So group, and what we would like to do is to call the register and results, and we say that the write output, the password for the user, and let's say username, and New pass is the following, and after that we would like to call the debug module. So results debug message and the results. Great. Now if we did everything correctly, we will have a test user with a password, and it's going to be a member of the administrators group. So Ansible playbook, and what did we call it? New local user YAML. So it seems to have thrown an exception for us. So standard error, cannot bind the password. Aha! So we would like to convert it to a secure string, but basically we are almost there. So new pass is equal to, and we would like to convert it to become a secure string. And let's go ahead and say that we have the changed when, and we say that the password for the user is search results. Let's run it again, and now it should work. So as you can see, that the password for the user and whatever we see here is showing us that this had succeeded. So now if I go to my administrators, you will see that the new is present and the test is also present. So you can use this playbook to provision dynamically local users on your not domain joined machines. And if you want to further improve it, you would say that you want to replace this username with a variable and the group with a variable. But apart from that, this is what I wanted to show you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.